Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your PayPal email address. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log into your PayPal account. And once you're logged in, head over to the gear button on top of your screen. Now, this will open up a page where you can see all your emails associated with your PayPal account. If you only have one email and you want to change it to another, you will need to add first another email using this add button. Go ahead and click on add. Here, enter the new email you want to change to, and then tick make this primary email. Once you are done, click on confirm. Now, when you go back, you'll find that you have two emails as you can see here. Now, to change the email, you need to make the email that you want to use as primary. If you had not made the new email primary, you can click here and then make it primary. So once we have made the other email primary, you can now go ahead and delete the other email if you don't need it. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.